Very good morning, guys. We are going to analyze the question booklet series A. The exam name is BPSC Project Manager. So the first question is, Niti Aayog was established in 2015 in a place of Planning Commission which was dissolved in. The answer will be 2014. As you know, Niti Aayog comes instead of Planning Commission on 2017. The last planning commission was 12-year planning commission 2012 to 2017, but it's already dissolved in 2014 only. Second one is, which of the following were treated as separate annual plan? The answer will be 1991 to 1992. C. Third one is, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushal Yojana was launched by Government of India under the Ministry of. The answer will be Rural Development. Fourth one, who introduced the concept of Panchayati Raj? The answer will be Balwant Rai Mehta. Fifth one, the targeted length of Bharatmala project economic corridor is. The answer will be 26,000 km. Moving toward question number 6. Out of the total number of CPR in the country, what is the number of private CPR? The answer will be 18. We have more than 200 CPRs, but they are asking about private CPR. The DPIT under the Ministry of Commerce and Trade was established in. Answer will be 1995. The base year of index of a core industry has recently been changed to. The answer will be 2011-12. The Special Industry Initiative of Udan, funded by NSDC, has been launched especially for Jammu and Kashmir. Answer will be Jammu and Kashmir. The maximum amount of concessional credit for a margin money under the waivers Mudra scheme is. Answer will be 10,000. A new Central Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship was created in 2014. Answer is 2014. The combined weightage of the 8 core industry in the IIP is. Answer will be 40.27. If you want a detailed explanation, please ping us on a number which will be given below in a comment section. In which question number 13, in which hill station the electricity supply in India commenced in 1897? The answer will be Darjeeling. Prime Minister Saubhagya Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana was launched in. Answer is 2017. Who was the first finance minister of independent India? The answer is R.K. Sangamugam Shetty. Question number 16. The ACIC was launched under the AIM of Niti Aayog when? Answer is 31st July 2019. Moving to us, question number 17. The CAGR of India's export during the fiscal decade ending 2018-19 has been. Answer is 9.06%. Question number 18. Which of the following ministry monitors 11 of the key infrastructure sector? Answer is Ministry of Industry and Commerce. Question number 19. National Solar Mission was launched in the name of which of the following Prime Minister? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Annual financial statement and financial bills are presented before the Parliament under the constitutional article respectively. Answer is 112 and 110. Next question. ONGC was incorporated in 1956. Question number 22. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code became operational in. The answer is 2016. In which budget GST was proposed to be introduced from the April 2010, and the budget was 2006 to 2007. Question number 24. Which of the following was the first country to implement GST in 1954? That is France. Answer will be France. Shreyas was launched in the February 2019 by the Ministry of. The answer will be Human Resource Development. Moving towards next question. Question 26 number question. Competition Commissions of India Act was passed in. Answer will be 2002. World largest multi-purpose multi-stage lift irrigation project Kaleswaram is situated in? Answer is Telangana. Question number 28. Railway budget was merged with the general budget. Answer is 2017-18. Question number 29. Who among the following became the first women finance minister of India? Answer is Indira Gandhi. Question number 30. ESIC Act was passed in? Answer is 1948. Question number 31. Which of the following industrial sector of Bihar contribute 14% of industrial production and 4% to the GDP and 13% to the export earning of the country? Answer is food grain processing industry. Question number 32. Bihar Industrial Policy 2016 has fixed the targeted of industrial growth rate. Answer is 15% per annum. Moving towards question number 33. During the period of 2010-11 to 2014-15, the production level of cereals in Bihar was grown annually. Answer is 7.65%. Question number 34. Bihar has created a land bank for establishing industry which currently has a corpus fund limited up to? Answer is 1500 crore. Question number 35. The total installed power capacity in Bihar was 3704.63 megawatt in 2015, out of which the share of renewable energy was? Answer is 2.3%. Question number 36. The Prime Minister ordered his approval to the Cabinet resolution to include ex officio and a special invitee members to the Niti Aayog on? Answer is 7th June 2019. Question number 37. Who among the following worked as a finance minister of India for the longest period? Answer is P. Chidambaram. Question number 38. The target for a total agriculture credit in budget of the Government of India 2020-21? Answer is 15 lakh crore. Question number 39. The turnover of a government e-marketplace in the central budget 2021 is proposed to as? Answer is 3 lakh crore. Question number 14. National infrastructure pipeline was launched with 103 lakh crore in? Answer is 2019. Question number 41. As per the central budget 2020-21 revised estimate for the 2019-20 for the public expenditure and the receipt have been fixed respectively. Answer is 26.99 lakh crore and 19.32 lakh crore. Question number 42. The Mahalanobis Heavy Industry Development Plan was opposed by Wage Good Development Plan, whose main author was? Answer is Professor Brahmananda. Question number 43. The Sarvodaya Plan was proposed by? The answer is Jayaprakash Narayan. Question number 44. Who said per capita income as an average of GNI divided by the population is an indicator of a per capita development is a myth? The answer is V.K. R.B. Rao. Question number 45. India's public debt to the GDP ratio for the fiscal year 2019-20 reached to? Answer is 79.3%. Question number 46. Crowding effect is a phenomenon that occurs when an increased government involvement in a sector of a market economy affects the remainder of the market on? The answer is supply side. 47. The value of demonetization of a currency in November 2016 was 15,41,793 crore. What was the value of returned demonetized currency? Answer is 15,33,073 crore. D. Question number 48. If for the implicit price of the GDP in 2015-16 is assumed as a base year, which of the following years have deflator value as 100? Answer is 2017-18. Question number 49. In 2019-20, the tax to the GDP ratio for the direct and indirect taxes respectively? Answer is 5.18% and 5.71%. Question number 50. In some countries, GST is also known as value added tax. We are moving towards question number 51. Which of the following state is the largest producer of iron in India? Answer is Odisha. While the annual percentage change in the real GDP for the world has gone down minus 3.3% in 2020, for the India it has gone down. Answer is 8.3% minus. 53. Question number 53. The Gandhian plan was formulated by. Answer is S.N. Agrawal. Question number 54. India's first skill development center was inaugurated in 2014. Answer is E. None of the above. The correct answer is Odisha. Question number 55. Which of the following oil refinery in India was set up with the help of Romania? The answer is Guwahati. Question number 56. Which of the following city is known as the city of oil city of Assam? The answer is Digboi. Question number 57. Out of the total oil refinery in India, none is located in the state of. The answer is E. None of the above. Each state having refineries in India. Haryana having, Tamil Nadu having, and Andhra Pradesh as well West Bengal also having oil refinery. Question number 58. What is the money? Answer is commodity. Moving towards question number 59. The GDP growth rate for the financial year 2023 in the budget 2020-21 has been estimated as. Answer is 13%. Question number 60. The total investment target for the 2021 in the central budget is. The answer is 2.10 lakh crore. Question number 61. The transformation of a taxes on a domestic product into the VAT was first recommended by. The answer is Raja Chaliya Committee. Question number 62. The recommendation that the various type of capital taxes should be levied in India to the increased government resources was given by. Answer is a Kalkar Committee. Question number 63. Inflation is unjust but deflation is unexpedient. Who said this? Answer is J.M. Keynes. Question number 64. Which of the following is not a quantitative method of credit control? The answer is margin requirement. Moving towards question number 65. How many times did RBI change the policy of repo rate between July 2019 to June 2020? The answer is none of the above. It is more than 8 or 9 times. Question number 66. Under which section of the Income Tax Act 1961 the agricultural income is exempted and what extent? The answer is D. Under clause 10 and subclause 1 and unlimited. Question 67. The major financial inclusion initiative was launched on. The answer is none of the above. It was launched on 2005. Question number 68. If the interest payment is subtracted from the gross physical deposit, the remainder will be. The answer is net physical deposit. Question number 69. Who is the chairman of Defence Research and Development Organization? The answer is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Question number 70. Niti Aayog, a test announced body to actively look into the progress in implementation of the program and initiative of Government of India is known as. Answer is DMEO A. Moving towards question number 71. Which country recently signed the Basic Exchange and Cooperation of Agreement (BECA)? India and USA. Question number 72. Put serially Kamala Harris journey. The answer is B. Legal professionals, government prosecutor, US senator and a vice president. Question number 73. Who developed the harmonized system a 6-digit identification code? The answer is World Customs Organization. Question number 74. Madarsa means a place where learning and studying religious lesson. Question number 75. Who has joined the global investment firm Carlyle as the senior advisor after retiring as the MD of HDFC Bank? Answer is Aditya Puri. Which is not the source of renewable energy? Answer is fossil fuels. Moving towards question number 77. Joe Biden, who is elected as the president of USA, is known as. Answer is modernist. Question number 78. Who received the 3M Young Scientist Award 2020 for the potential therapy of COVID-19, who is Indian origin girl in the United States of America? Answer is Anika Chabralu. Question number 79. Who is the full form? What is the full form of TRP used in a TV channel? Television rating point. Question number 80. Blue moon means full moon. Answer is a full moon. 81. The World Women Boxing Championship bronze is. The answer is none of the above. The answer will be Mary Kom. Question number 82. Joe Biden ran twice unsuccessfully for the US president in. The answer is 1988 and 2008. Moving towards question number 83. Which dictionary added the lockdown as the word of the year 2020? The answer will be Collins English Dictionary. Question number 84. Benjamin Netanyahu is the Prime Minister of. The answer is none of the above. Currently the Prime Minister of Israel is Naftali Bennett. So answer will be none of the above. Question number 85. The full form of COVID-19 is coronavirus disease 19. Question number 86. Preparing for the death is the latest deep thought book of the author of this book. The answer is Arun Sori. Question number 87. The Gyanpith Award is associated with which field? The answer is literature. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana provided mudra loan for which activity? The answer is both agriculture and non-agriculture activity. Question number 89. Arnab Goswami is. The answer is a TV journalist. Question number 90. Who authored the book The India Way Strategy for an Uncertain World? The answer is S. Jaishankar. Question number 91. What is the full form of Ayush? The answer is Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Question number 92. The ISRO has launched its latest Earth observation satellite named PSLV C-49, intended for application in which field? Answer is agriculture, forestry and disaster management support. Question number 93. Which of the following is not the microfinance institution in India? The answer is Center for Development, Bihar. On which principle the Government of India introduced the Vande Mataram scheme in February 2004? The answer is none of the above. Question number 95. The book Walking with the Comrade is written by Arundhati Roy. Question number 96. Who is the chairman of 15 Finance Commission? The answer is N.K. Singh. The Enforcement Directorate enforces which of the following acts? Answer is both PMLA or FEMA. Question number 98. Who is appointed as the Chief Information Commissioner of the India after Bimal Julka? Answer is Jaswardhan Kumar Sinha. 99. How many Ramsar sites are there in India? Answer is 41. Moving towards question number 100. Sumitra Chatterjee, a Bengali actor, was a multi-spectrum artist such as. Answer is all of the above, D. Question number 101. According to the figure released by the Election Commission, how many voters opted Nota in the recent election of Bihar? Answer is A. 706252. Question number 102. When the armistice was signed between the Allied forces and Germany in Patna? The answer is 11th November 1918. Question number 103. Who earned a nickname as Chanakya of Bihar? The answer is Nitish Kumar. Question number 104. Jitan Ram Manjhi won the election from Imamganj, Gaya, Bihar from which political party? Answer is Hindustan Awam Morcha, Hum. Question number 105. Who was the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar State before the election held in 2020? Answer is Sushil Kumar Modi. Moving towards question 106. Which wetland in Bihar has been designated as a Ramsar site in October 2020? Answer is Kabartal. Bhola Paswan Shastri, former Chief Minister, was from which district of Bihar? Answer is Purnia. In Bihar, RJD candidate Shakti Singh Yadav lost election 2020. Candidate Krishna Murari Saran with just. Answer is 12 votes. Question number 109. How many maximum ministers according to the law can be appointed to the 243 members Bihar Assembly? Answer is 36. Question number 110. According to the Center of Monitoring India Economy data, Bihar unemployment rate in October 2020 was 9.8%. Moving towards question number 111. So here 40 question of reasoning. So the first answer is in the series 1, 2, 4, 7, 28, 140, 190, 205. The wrong number is 4. The next letter in the series A, B, D, H will be, the answer is P. Question number 113, the missing number is 27, 51, 83. The answer is 123. Question number 114, choose the odd one among the following. The answer is 27. Question number 115, the answer will be A, T, J, Q, O, D, W, U. Question number 116, the answer is 024406. We have already marked the answer in a red color circle. Question number 117, the answer is NORGAE. Question number 118, the answer is 10 plus under root 1000. Question number 119, answer is IMQU. Question number 120, the answer is Thursday. Question number 121, the answer is 33. Question number 122, the answer is A1. Question number 123, the answer is north. Question number 124, the answer is father-in-law. Question number 125, the answer is 13 degree. Question number 126, the answer is P. Question number 127, answer will be P. Question number 128, the answer will be stitch. Question number 129, answer is 100. Question number 130, answer is 9. Question number 131, the answer will be 60 meter. Question number 132, the answer will be 28. Question number 133, the answer will be C. Question number 134, the answer will be D128. Question number 135, the answer will be C. Question number 136, the answer will be B. Moving towards question number 137, and the answer will be D3. Question number 138, the answer will be P. Question number 139, the answer is J, M, N and P. Question number 140, the answer is some vertebrates or mammals. Question number 141, the answer will be 2. Question number 142, the answer will be D. P cross Q minus R divided by S cross T. Question number 143, the answer is 1. The question number 144, the answer will be C. Question number 145, the answer will be 11. Question number 146, the answer is 3. Question number 147, the answer is 60. Question number 148, the answer is 185. Question number 149, the answer is A, 12.4648. Question number 150, the answer is 57. That's all, guys. If this video is relevant to you, please do share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.